Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Two.
Happy birthday.
One day, go! Go! Yes, very good, yes. Oh, very good, very good, very good.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Sir, huwag ka na tuminod, sir. Opo, tumuyo na po. Alright, ayan si sir. One. Parang piliin na nila ako kung pumunta ako ba sila. Opo, ano na po. Alright, si sir, pang 6 at si ma'am pang 6. Alright, ayan, tuloy na po tayo sa unaan. Opo, tawag ko to kayong tangalan sa showman. Opo, tinatawag na po kayo. Number 3, pass to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to number 4. Number 4, pass to number 3. Tayo'y mag-ocho-ocho. Ocho-ocho. Ocho-ocho. Number 3, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 6. Number 6, itaktak mo. Itaktak mo. Number 6, pass to number 1. Number 1, pass to number 4. Number 4, pass to number 3. Number 3, pass to number 5. Spaghetti, pababa. Pababa ng pababa. Number 1 pass to number 6. Number 6 pass to number 4. Number 4 pass to number 3. Number 3 pass to number 6. Number 6 pass to number 1. Number 1 pass to number 4. Shoot the pass! Alright! Alright, bravo naman po natin ang ating team girls! Grabe si Mami! Grabe Mami! Patas ng patas! Alright, ayan, thank you, thank you! Alright, wag po natin kakalimutan mag-wave doon 2 beses. Okay po, kasi ayun po yung labanan natin. Yung pinakamagaling po mag-wave. Diyan nga pa, so ayan. Okay, let's start. Let's go! 2! Yes! Hey! Ayan, si Mami excited. Hey! Go! Hey! Ayan, natin po natin. Alright, first party kayo. Let's give it up for Amanda! Alright, meron mo ba mga kids? Alright. Alright, meron mo ba mga kids? Kapit ang sa unahan. Anthony, for the question po, gusto ko lang pong marinig ng malakas at sabay-sabay ang ating magic word and 3, 2, 1! Alright, happy birthday, Briggs! Alright, mag-iingat ko kayo sa inyong pag-uwi and may God bless us all po. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat.